Well, hey Chraniac Nation, here we are again with the final episode of the Chrane Construction Series of our new Houston facility and entertainment center. It's been an amazing process going through this, working with all the Chraniacs, working with a lot of our customers and vendor partners, as well as some of our industry friends. We are done, we're open for business. We recently had our grand opening. Follow me, let's go look at a few things. So one of the things at Chrane, we all love working together. We love collaborating, we love being together and hanging out. This table right behind us, every single day is always full, whether it's a couple of Chraniacs sitting down to collaborate on a project, a couple of our outside sales reps crashing in between calls, or having lunch. It is one of the quintessential items of being a Chraniac is collaboration and working together. For those of you who haven't seen it, our event center is second to none. It's a very top-notch facility where people can come in, collaborate, work together, test their favorite piece of equipment. Let's sneak in here. I think we've got some guests. Come on in. What do you think? This is a really neat facility where every single day we've got people coming through here who want to learn more about our different manufacturers. They want to find out who's got what going on around the city. This is the place to be where everybody comes to see what's next and who's doing something different. Once you get in here, this is the coolest toy box for food service professionals that you've ever seen. We set up our cook line for ultimate flexibility. Behind me on the floor, you'll see a trench drain that runs the entire length of the hood. We can mix and match our equipment. We can move them around based on the customer's needs so they can test and see where they want equipment, how they want to lay it out. If they don't like this setup, we just switch it around and put it wherever it needs to be. Ultimate flexibility is something to help cater to our customers and help them determine what they truly want to do in their operation. One of the things when we started putting the bar and this event center together, we've made strategic partnerships with a lot of our local vendors. A lot of our beer vendors like Gristworks, those providing beer and our Perlick system. Also for all of our coffee systems, we've partnered with Cat's Coffee here in Houston, Texas. And through our strategic partnership, we're both growing in the coffee business. Another part of this project that was really cool to put together was our boardroom. We wanted to have a space that was big enough, versatile enough for anything that we may need. We've already had a couple of folks come in and have their own meetings, which we've gladly catered. Chef Andy can do anything that you may need, from breakfast, lunch, snack, or dinner service. But also, in these meetings, sometimes you need privacy. And at the click of a switch, it goes opaque. And now, no one can see you. You can have a meeting in private. So the way that this is laid out and designed, everything is a constantly evolving showroom. Today it may look like this. Tomorrow it may look completely different. It can be whatever it needs to be for the moment and what we're trying to put on. Right now we've got a little bit of our historic items on the wall from our grand opening, which are a lot of fun, seeing some of the t-shirts and swag throughout the years. But that's going to be going away in the next couple of days. And we're going to have more of our manufacturer's products on display. Now, let's go look in the back of the kitchen. So in here we have a complete pantry of dry goods, spices, all of our supplies and small wares, everything a kitchen needs. Every time a chef has walked in there, they said, oh my gosh, I wish I had this too. So back on this side of the kitchen, we have all of our prep area as well as our dishwash and pot sink. And Chef Andy just finished up with a demonstration, so he's tidying the place back up and ready for the next one. Thanks again for following along on the Chrane Construction Series and watching us build this cool new place. We're really proud of it, and we hope you come down and visit us anytime. Just give us a call, whether you want to host a private sales meeting, a training for your team, or come and learn about some of our fantastic manufacturers. We're here. We have a full team, a full staff, capable of anything you could think of. Look forward to seeing you in the mix soon. Take care.